Chiller working principle step by step. Step 1. Heat absorption, evaporator. Warm water from the building enters the evaporator. Inside the evaporator, refrigerant absorbs heat from the water. This makes the water cool down and go back to the building. The refrigerant turns into low-pressure vapor. Step 2. Compression, compressor. The low-pressure refrigerant vapor goes to the compressor. The compressor increases its pressure and temperature. Now refrigerant becomes high-pressure hot gas. Step 3. Heat rejection, condenser. Hot refrigerant enters the condenser. Air or cooling water removes heat from refrigerant. Refrigerant changes from gas liquid. Step 4. Expansion, expansion valve. Liquid refrigerant passes through the expansion valve. Pressure suddenly drops. Refrigerant becomes cold and low pressure mixture. Step 5. Cycle repeats. Cold refrigerant again enters the evaporator. The cycle keeps repeating continuously on a simple refrigeration cycle. First, the evaporator absorbs heat from water and makes it cool. Then the compressor increases the pressure and temperature of refrigerant gas. Next, in the condenser, heat is released to air or water and refrigerant becomes liquid. After that, the expansion valve reduces pressure and makes refrigerant cold. Finally, this cold refrigerant again enters the evaporator and the cycle repeats. Water-cooled chiller has two loops, chilled water loop and condenser water loop. Evaporator cools the water. Compressor increases pressure. Condenser removes heat using water. Cooling tower cools that water. Expansion valve reduces pressure and cycle repeats. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more